Hello, it's JeanetteJBeauty and welcome to my channel. I just washed my hair and I love to start all my styles, especially protective styles on freshly washed hair, because I can wear them for up to 2 weeks and I want to start with a nice clean slate. So here's how my hair looks after about an hour after washing. Now I'm going to prep my hair for this style. I am going to do the WLOS method, but before I do that, I'm just going to divide my hair into 4 sections and I'm making sure that my parts are nice and clean for the style. And now that my hair is divided into 4 sections, I'm gonna start the styling process, and there goes Kavari with one of his new books that he absolutely loves. I'm gonna spray a generous amount of water to help with moisture, and water is a moisturizer alone, but it's not a heavy moisturizer. That's why I do layer my products. And then I'm gonna spray the Alba Botanica Coconut Milk Leave-In Conditioner, and I absolutely love this leave-in. I feel that it provides me a good amount of conditioning and nourishment, and my hair is left soft, and it does smell really good. And then to help seal that moisture in, I'm gonna use this emollient castor oil mix from Whole Foods, and I do like it. It is pretty thick, but it does not weigh my hair down, and that is very important, especially when I am gonna have a protective style like this. I will add more products to my hair and scalp as I see fit, but when I style my hair on day 1, 2, and 3, and 4, especially, I really want my hair to retain that moisture. That's why I do layer a lot of products and a lot of creams on my hair when styling. And now that I've added the water, leave-in, and oil to each section of hair, I can move on to the styling process. And my stylers are gonna be from Uncle Funky's Daughter, the Super Curl and Curly Magic. I really love these two combined together. And my hair is in need of a trim. My last trim was in November, and for some reason, the right side of my hair tends to grow so much faster than the left side, so I really need to trim it, shape it, so both sides can be more even. I added the Super Curl first, and I really love this styler for that extra moisture. It's so creamy, so smooth, and really leaves my hair feeling nice and nourished. And then I'm going to part my hair. I'm going to part this section 3 times for 3 braids, and I'm going to apply the Curly Magic in each braid section individually. I just find that it works better in my hair this way, and to ensure that this section is nice and smooth, I'm going to use a rat tail comb and comb from ends to roots, and just really making sure that my hair is smooth down, tangle free, and it really helps with the braiding and styling process go a lot smoother, and my hair just comes out looking so much better and more polished this way. After I've ensured that this section is nice and smooth, I am going to braid my hair down from the roots all the way down to the ends, and I do like to twirl the ends so I have a little bit of a curl, and just to make sure that they do stay nice and secure. And I do the same exact process on the back section of my hair, so I'm just gonna let you watch. And here's how the first row of braids look. I ended up doing 4 rows of braids in the back section. And here's how the second row of braids look, and I really love the way that my hair feels. It's very moisturized and conditioned. I love it. And with the power of editing, I have completed the back section of my hair. All right, now please forgive me. After I finished the back section, I went up to get some more water and I placed it right in front of me, not realizing it was in view of the camera. So while I do style the front section of my hair, this water is in front the whole time. Now to style my hair in the front, I'm just making a diagonal part for the cornrows. After the part is nice and clean, I'm just gonna section up the other half. Just keep it out of the way because I like to keep nice and focused and organized. And I make sure that the part is nice and clean. And I'm just going to make another part going parallel, just following right along with the first part and also making sure that it is nice and clean. And after this section for the cornrow looks really good, it's nice and clean, I'm going to clip the remaining hair out of the way, and then I'm going to apply this edge control by Ebin. This is their 24-hour edge control, and just apply it to my roots. This is how I have a nice sleek cornrow, and I'm also going to use my sport nick brush and just smooth the edge control in the roots, just really making sure that I have a really good foundation. This is how I make sure that my cornrows lay flat. They're nice and smooth and look very polished. And I'm going to take this wide tooth comb and just comb through this section of hair, making sure that there's no tangles, because as I'm cornrowing, I just want to go through with ease. And then I'm going to begin to cornrow my hair. I still have to make a video on how to cornrow, but it's pretty much like braiding your hair, but then you add more hair with each rotation. And once I get to the point where I can't add any more hair, I am going to add the curly magic to the remaining section and also use the wide tooth comb just to ensure that this section of hair is tangle free, and continue braiding all the way down. And I'm going to do 3 more cornrows in the same direction. And here's how this section looks all completed, and I really love the way it looks. Now I'm almost done, and I'm going to do the same exact process to the other side, but going in the opposite direction. And I'm making sure with this second part for the cornrows going the opposite direction that the excess hair in the middle does make a triangle. This is just going to continue the pattern after I finish this side. All right, I've completed this section and on to the last section of hair. I am almost done. I'm so happy because I really love the way that this style is coming out, and also because I'm going on 2 hours and I'm just ready to be done. So as you can see, I have a pattern going left and right. So for the next cornrow, I want to make sure that it goes in the right direction. And the next cornrow went in the left direction. And for the last section, I just ended up doing a braid. Alright, so now I'm all finished styling my hair, and I really love the way it looks. My hair looks very conditioned, very soft, very moisturized, and by the looks of it, I can tell that this style is going to last. I decided to apply a little of jojoba oil by Silk Elements in between the parts of the cornrow because I didn't apply the castor oil on my scalp in the front. I tend to find when I am using edge control for my styles and I'm going to cornrow my hair, I don't like to apply a lot because I won't be able to get that grip, and I definitely need a strong, firm hold on my roots just to make sure that the style looks as polished as I want it to. And I put my silk scarf on just to help set the style, did some errands, and then I did go to sleep on a silk pillowcase. And the next day, my hair looked so good. Of course, I did take the scarf off to do my makeup, but my hair, it looks so nice and fresh and polished, just how I love. I just really love the style overall, and definitely I love doing protective styles, just giving my hair a break, just give it a rest because I have been doing so many styles with my hair. Now I could just let it breathe. But here's how it looks, and I absolutely love the way it came out. I hope that you enjoyed my video. Let me know down below in the comments, and if you did enjoy, please give me a like, comment, share, and make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!